My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my second and probably final Halloween makeup tutorial for this Halloween season, and it's going to be another glam but super easy tutorial. I am in shock how easy this was. All you need, some makeup, a few rhinestones, and then a unicorn headband. You can get one off of Amazon like I did, or I know there are some tutorials where they have like a DIY unicorn headband that you can make as well. So if you would like to see how to get this unicorn inspired makeup, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. So I love just like Fantasyland and mermaids and unicorns and princesses, and I have always wanted to do a unicorn inspired makeup tutorial. I love these cute little headbands, and this was the perfect excuse to buy one for this makeup tutorial. But yeah, like I said, I am in shock how easy this was. Anyone can recreate this, and it will look good on everyone. And this eye look will especially look good with people who have green eyes, because there's a lot of like mauves in there. And I mean, this will look good on any eye color, any skin color, but in particular green eyes. But yeah, so let's get straight into the tutorial. Writing down names, I'm making a list. I'm rolling my bag, it's hard to get. I might take a sip, I might have to bump, and I'm liable to trip. I ain't popping no pills, what you do is you wish.
Alright, here we go. I'm going to take the Huda Beauty new nude palette and go in with Play, which is a light orange shadow that I'm going to be using as a transition shade. This is going to help all the other shadows blend out better. Now I'm taking this Blushing Berries palette by Dose of Colors, and I'm taking that pretty mauve, and I'm just putting that in the exact same place that I put Play. You don't have to use both. You can just use one if you would like, but I'm just extra like that. Now I'm gonna go in with Spanked in this Moda brush, and I'm gonna be putting that in the outer corner. I pat it first, and then once I get most of the shadow off of the brush, I slowly drag it into the crease. And then I will go back in with the E27 brush and just blend that with the colors that are already there. Now I'm going back in with the Blushing Berry palette, and I'm going to be using Berry Pop and doing the exact same thing that I did with Spanked. And once again, you don't have to use both of these shades. I'm just extra. Now I'm taking that concealer shade and putting that all over my lid as a primer. You can use a glitter glue or whatever you wish. Now I'm going to be going in with Crave, which is this gorgeous metallic shade, and putting that all over my lid. I start out with a flat synthetic brush, and then I end up going in with my fingers. Huda Beauty shadows really just work a little bit better with your fingers, but I prefer a brush because it's more precise, but you know. Now I'm going to be going in with this dark plum shade called Love Bite in a pencil brush, and I'm going to be putting that in the outer corner of my eye, kind of in a V shape. I lay the color down first, and then I go back in with that Moda brush and kind of pat it and then blend it into the crease. Now I'm taking this Wet n Wild highlighter in Blossom Glow, and I'm going to be using that to highlight my brow bone. I love this highlighter. These Wet n Wild highlighters are the bomb. So now I'm going to be taking this lit glitter glue and putting that on my lid. I'm patting it and not really swiping because I don't want to remove that lid shade. And I'm going in with this pressed glitter from the Sweet Talk palette called Prima Drama. And I'm going to use my finger and just put that on top of where I laid the glitter glue. I wanted a super glittery eye look since we're going to be a unicorn. And then I go back in with that dark purple and just kind of blend that in with the lid shade. So you can use just a regular black eyeliner. I used a magnetic eyeliner because I'm going to be using magnetic lashes. And now I am tightlining my upper waterline with this NARS eyeliner pencil. So I'm going to prime with this FARSALI liquid glass. I'm going to speed through the foundation routine, but I want this to be a very glowy, radiant, highlighted look, so I wanted to go in with an illuminating primer. So now I'm going to be using my Hourglass Vanish foundation stick, and then I'm also going to be going in with this BECCA 24-hour full coverage foundation. It kind of has a radiant finish. It's really pretty, so I wanted that to add that as well. And I'm going to be buffing it out with this SEPHORA foundation brush. This is going to give it a very full coverage. So now I'm going to go in with this SEPHORA Lash Craft mascara and throw on some mascara. I don't know what happened, but somehow the footage of me putting shadow on the lower lash line disappeared. But now I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate concealer. It is a radiant concealer, and like I said, I want this to be a very glowy look, so that's why I chose to go with a radiant concealer. And then I'm going to blend it out with my Morphe Beauty Sponge. Then I'm going to be setting that with a setting powder using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose setting powder in Sugar Cookie. And I'm just going to be putting that everywhere I laid the concealer. And I'm also going in with this Charlotte Tilbury Magic Genius powder. It is a radiant setting powder, and I'm just going to be putting that all over my face to kind of give it a just nice healthy glow. So now I'm taking this Tarte Park Avenue Princess contouring palette, and I'm going to be taking that shade in contouring. This is a very rare occasion. I don't contour often. I mean, I bronze. I do like a light contouring with bronzer, but I'm actually going to be contouring. So I'm just going to be putting that around the perimeter of my face, just giving it some definition. Putting that on my neck as well. So now I'm going to be highlighting, and I'm going in with my ColourPop highlighter in FLEXITARIAN. And now I'm going to do some blush. I'm using this BUXOM Wanderlust blush in Havana. It's a really pigmented blush, and I wanted the blush on this look to be very intense. I want it to be a very blushy look. So I'm taking this Makeup Revolution baked highlighter, and I'm using it to buff. I'm just going all over my face and kind of smoothing everything together. And now I'm using my Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. So now I'm taking that same Wet n Wild highlighter in Blossom Glow and just adding some of that on top of the Flexitarian. I wanted to be super highlighted. So now I'm going to take a pink eyeshadow and I'm going to be putting that on my brows. We are going to be having pink brows. Hell yeah. Can't believe I haven't done this before, but I am definitely digging it. So use any pink eyeshadow you would like and just kind of, you know, fill your brows in with it. So now I'm going to be taking this rhinestones I got from Joann's and I'm going to be sticking it on with some lash glue. So I just place the lash glue down and then I put the rhinestone where I put the lash glue. I kind of wanted to make it kind of look like a unicorn horn, just where I place the rhinestones. So I start off with these bigger ones and then I'm gonna go in with these smaller ones just around the eye. You can put these wherever you would like. Whatever makes you happy, baby girl, you do it. So I'm going to add even more highlighter. This is actually a loose pigment in white. I should have done this before I put the rhinestones on, but my highlighter wasn't popping enough, so I had to add even more. So now I'm taking this NYX glitter glue and I wanted to put some glitter just somewhere in my face. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. Can't really notice the glitter that much after I have my wig on and the look is finished, but I just wanted to add some glitter. So I'm adding some silver glitter just where I put that glitter glue, kind of following where I put the rhinestones. And then I also go in with a pink one as well. And we'll get a lip on and then we'll be done. So I'm lining my lips with a NYX lip liner. And then I'm going to be going in with this Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Candy Ass. It is a beautiful pink metallic liquid lipstick, which I thought went perfect with this look. And
okay, so yeah, I put the wig on and now I have this headband that I got from Amazon, and I pulled some of the hair back and I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm gonna like connect the hair to the band so it'll stay. Ends are coming off. I'm just gonna take the other side off since that one came off. And then I'm going to take some of this Anastasia Diamond Lip Gloss. Yes. That's it right there. So this is a really simple DIY unicorn Halloween costume. My horn's not wanting to stay in the frame. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this super glam, super fun, but another super easy Halloween tutorial from yours truly. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, and let me know what you're going to be for Halloween. Alright, I will see you guys in my next video.